Hey guys, it's Emma from the Safe Foundation, and today I'm taking you along with me to our Sortathon event. So we have been absolutely inundated with donations for our ethical boutique. So first of all, thank you guys so much for your generosity. As you can imagine, the amount of clothing in our possession right now is a lot for just one person to organise. So some of our lovely volunteers have kindly offered to come and help us organise all these clothes today at Didoli House. Everyone at Safe is so proud of our ethical boutique because ethical consumerism is really important to us. The fast fashion industry is problematic for a number of reasons. It has an enormous environmental impact, and a lot of the garment workers are treated poorly and work in bad working conditions. The benefits to buying second-hand clothing is endless. It reduces your environmental impact, it's cheaper, your outfits are always guaranteed to be unique, and you don't contribute towards exploitative labour. Our ethical boutique challenges negative stereotypes people might hold about charity shops or second-hand clothing shops. The shop itself is gorgeous, and we sell upcycled vintage items of clothing and other donations. So for this reason, we think that we should turn our day of organisation into a fun little celebration. Because the amount of donations should be celebrated, because it's all contributing towards ethical and responsible consumerism. Okay, so I've just arrived at Didoli House. I'm actually so eager to see these donations because I actually haven't seen how many clothes we've been donated yet. So yeah, let's go. So I just got home from the Sortathon looking considerably less put together than this morning. But teamwork makes the dream work. We actually got it done much quicker than I anticipated. It was honestly really incredible to see just how generous people have continued to be even during such a difficult time at the minute, what with the coronavirus pandemic going on and everything else. And even if you think that donating clothes is slightly insignificant, it's really not, because you're contributing to more ethical methods of clothes shopping. So yeah, all in all, it was just a really excellent day. I had a great time. Thank you to all the volunteers that came out and helped us organise. We literally couldn't have done it without you. We would have been drowned in a pile of clothes. So thank you everyone that helped, and thank you so much to everyone who donated. Bye guys.